How to turn off notifications on Viber. Hello everybody, welcome back to my channel. This is me Bipin Basnat, and today I'll guide you on how you can turn off your Viber notifications. Now the process itself is quite simple and quite easy, so let me guide you through. First things first, you want to open up your Viber, tap on the three dots option or the more option at the bottom right corner of your screen, and here what you want to do is you want to head into settings. Once under settings, you can see the third option that says notifications. Right, you want to simply tap on notifications, and here you'll get various notifications option. You can see show message preview. You can tap on it and you can disable it. If it is check marked, it means it is enabled. If it is not check marked, then it is disabled. You can simply tap on it to enable or disable, so make sure it's default. You can see birthday notifications, you can disable it. You can see contact join Viber, you can disable it, and certain options that you waste, you can turn it off. However, if you want to disable the notification for whole application, what you can do is you can go ahead and search in for Viber widget from your apps. So what you want to do is tap and hold on that Viber icon and then tap on eye icon that you see their eye option there. Once you tap on it, you'll be headed into app info. Here under notifications, simply tap on notifications option and you can see notification is allowed. You're gonna simply disable it and all the notifications will be turned off. So this way you can turn off notifications on Viber. Hope this helped you. Do like and subscribe, and do not forget to leave a comment down below if you have any further issues.